Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Tech Pulse, and today we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of your vehicle, the tires. Whether you're cruising down the highway, navigating through a snowstorm, or exploring off-road trails, your tires play a vital role in your safety and driving experience. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about automotive tires. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the different types of tires available and their specific uses. All-season tires. They are designed to perform well in a variety of conditions, including wet roads and light winter driving. They're a popular choice for many drivers due to their versatility. Winter tires. They're also known as snow tires, have special rubber compounds that stay flexible in cold weather. Their unique tread patterns provide better traction on snow and ice. Summer tires. They're optimized for warm weather, offering excellent performance on dry and wet roads but aren't suitable for cold conditions. All-terrain tires. They're perfect for off-road adventures, with rugged designs that handle mud, sand, and gravel with ease. Performance tires. They're built for speed and handling, making them ideal for sports cars and high-performance vehicles. Understanding tire sizes and ratings is essential for selecting the right tires for your vehicle. The tire size is usually indicated by a series of numbers and letters like 215, 65, or 17. The first number is the tire width in millimeters, the second is the aspect ratio, and the letter R stands for radial construction. The last number is the wheel diameter in inches. Load index and speed rating are also important. The load index indicates the maximum weight the tire can support, while the speed rating shows the maximum speed the tire can handle safely. So for this example, letter V refers to 240 km per hour. Now, let's talk about how to check the age of your tires. Every tire has a DOT code on its sidewall, which tells you when the tire was manufactured. The last 4 digits of the DOT code represent the week and year of manufacture. For example, if you see 2720, it means the tire was made in the 27th week of 2020. Tread patterns affect how your tires perform in different conditions. Symmetrical tread patterns have continuous ribs or blocks across the entire tire. They offer a smooth ride and long tread life. Asymmetrical tread patterns combine different tread designs to optimize grip and performance. They're great for varying road conditions. Directional tread patterns are designed to channel water away from the tire, reducing the risk of hydroplaning. They're excellent for wet conditions. Proper tire maintenance is key to ensuring safety and extending tire life. Always maintain the correct tire pressure as specified in your vehicle's manual. Underinflation or overinflation can lead to uneven wear and reduced performance. Regularly rotate your tires to ensure even wear. This helps in extending the lifespan of your tires. Get your wheel alignment checked if you notice uneven tire wear or if your vehicle pulls to one side. Proper alignment ensures better handling and longer tire life. Monitor your tire tread depth. If the depth between 4 to 13 millimeters, so your tires in good condition. If the depth between 2 to 4 millimeters, so your tires needs to be replaced soon, but if the depth between 0 to 2 millimeters, so it needs to replace immediately. Knowing when to replace your tires is crucial for safety. Most tires have tread wear indicators, small bars that become visible when the tread is worn down. If you see these bars, it's time for new tires. Tires also have a lifespan. Even if the tread looks fine, tires older than 6 years should be inspected for signs of aging like cracks. Look out for damage such as cuts, punctures, or bulges. These can compromise the tire's integrity and should be addressed immediately. Choosing the right tires depends on several factors. Always follow the vehicle manufacturer's recommendations for tire size and type. Consider the driving conditions you'll face. For instance, if you drive in snowy regions, winter tires are a must. Balance quality and cost. While premium tires offer better performance, there are also budget-friendly options that provide good value. To sum up, understanding and maintaining your tires is essential for a safe and smooth driving experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your tire-related tips or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.